Hello, garden lovers. Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your go-to source for transforming outdoor spaces into stunning havens. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that can utterly revolutionize your home's exterior, the beautiful patio. Garden design ideas. Before watching this video, kindly please support this channel by clicking subscribe, leaving a comment or hit the like button, and sharing it with your friends and family. It's more than just a place to put a few chairs. It's an extension of your living space, an outdoor sanctuary designed for relaxation, entertainment, and connection with nature. Let's begin by defining what we mean when we talk about a beautiful patio garden design. The goal is to create a harmonious environment that is visually appealing, inviting, and practical for various activities, from quiet morning coffees to vibrant social gatherings. It considers elements like flow, focal points, color palettes, textures, and the overall ambiance you wish to achieve, ensuring that every element contributes to a sense of tranquility and beauty. Now, you might be asking, what are the tangible benefits of investing time and effort into creating a beautiful patio garden design? The advantages are numerous and extend far beyond simple aesthetics. Firstly, it significantly expands your usable living space. A well-designed patio becomes an outdoor room, providing an additional area for dining, lounging, working, or entertaining, especially valuable in regions with pleasant weather. Secondly, it enhances your property's curb appeal and, consequently, its market value. A professionally designed outdoor space is a highly desirable feature for potential homebuyers. Furthermore, a beautiful patio garden provides an ideal setting for social interaction, allowing you to host gatherings and create lasting memories with friends and family in an inviting atmosphere. Lastly, it offers an opportunity for personal expression and a creative outlet, allowing you to tailor the space to your unique tastes and needs. Moving on to the practicalities. How do I design my patio garden to look beautiful? This is where the planning phase becomes crucial. The process should begin with a thorough assessment of your existing space. Consider the size, shape, sun exposure throughout the day, drainage, and any existing features like walls or fences. Material selection for your patio surface is paramount. Options like natural stone, pavers, concrete, or wood composite each offer distinct aesthetics and maintenance requirements. Think about vertical elements. Pergolas, arbors, or trellises can add height, shade, and support climbing plants. Incorporate diverse textures through planting, furniture, and decorative elements. Finally, always strive for balance and scale. Ensure that the elements you introduce are proportionate to the size of your patio and your home. Sketching out. Your ideas on paper can be incredibly helpful in visualizing the final outcome. Regarding plant selection, a common question is, what are the best plants for beautiful patio garden design? The best plants will ultimately depend on your climate, sun exposure, and personal preference. But here are some general categories and examples that thrive in patio settings. For containers, which offer flexibility and mobility, consider vibrant annuals like petunias, impatiens, and calabrachoa for continuous color, or herbs like basil, rosemary, and mint for fragrance and culinary use. Perennials such as hostas for shade, lavender, coneflowers, and sedum offer recurring beauty with less effort. For vertical appeal, climbing plants like clematis, jasmine, or mandevilla can transform a plain wall or trellis. Don't forget about succulents and cacti for drought-tolerant, low-maintenance options that add a modern touch. Always consider the mature size of the plant, its water requirements, and its sun needs to ensure it will thrive in your specific patio. Environment. Layering plants of different heights and textures will create a more visually engaging and dynamic display. Now, let's dive into some practical and inspiring garden design ideas that you can implement in your own space. Here these, the collection of the top 10 best beautiful patio garden design ideas to spark your creativity. 1. The Patio Garden Mediterranean Escape. This design evokes the sun-drenched landscapes of southern Europe. Think terracotta pots, olive, trees or dwarf varieties in containers, fragrant lavender, rosemary, and cascading bougainvillea. Use natural stone pavers or light-colored tiles for the patio surface. Incorporate wrought iron furniture, vibrant blue accents, and perhaps a small bubbling fountain for a truly tranquil and rustic feel. The key is to create a sense of warmth, relaxation, and timeless charm. 2. Modern Minimalist Patio Garden Haven. For those who appreciate clean lines and understated elegance. This design focuses on simplicity, functionality, and a monochromatic or muted color palette. Opt for concrete or large-format porcelain tiles. Use architectural plants like snake plants, agaves, or ornamental grasses in sleek, geometric planters. Furniture will be modern and streamlined, possibly with metal or dark wood finishes. Lighting will be subtle, often integrated LED strips to create a sophisticated and uncluttered space. 3. Lush Tropical Oasis Patio Garden. Transform your patio into a mini jungle. This design thrives in warmer climates or with careful plant selection and overwintering. Feature large-leafed plants like monsteras, ferns, palms, and elephant ears. Bright, exotic flowers such as hibiscus and bromeliads add pops of color. Incorporate natural materials like bamboo fencing or wooden deck tiles. A water feature, like a small pond or a waterfall, will enhance the immersive tropical experience, along with comfortable, perhaps rattan, seating. 4. Cozy Cottage Garden Patio. Embrace whimsy and abundance with a cottage garden style. This design features a profusion of flowering plants in informal arrangements, often spilling over edges. Think roses, delphiniums, foxgloves, and hydrangeas. Use natural stone or brick pavers. Incorporate vintage or distressed furniture, perhaps. A quaint bistro set? Arbors with climbing roses or clematis and bird baths will complete the charming old-world feel. 5. Zen Japanese Garden Patio Garden Influence. Create a serene and contemplative space. This design emphasizes balance, harmony, and natural elements. Use gravel pathways, carefully placed rocks, and minimalist planting of bamboo, Japanese maples, dwarf varieties in containers, and moss. A small stone lantern or a tranquil water basin can serve as a focal point. Keep the color palette subdued and the overall design uncluttered to foster a sense of peace. 6. Edible Garden Patio. Combine beauty with utility by integrating edible plants into your design. This is perfect for the home chef or gardener. Use raised beds or large containers for growing herbs, vegetables like tomatoes, peppers, and leafy greens, and even small fruit trees. Intersperse with flowering plants to attract pollinators. The aesthetic is often rustic and practical, with wooden planters or galvanized tubs, emphasizing fresh produce. 7. Bohemian Chic Retreat Patio Garden. This style is relaxed, eclectic, and full of personality. Layer various textures and patterns. Think macrame plant hangers, colorful outdoor rugs, floor cushions, and mixed seating. Plants might include succulents, ferns, and hanging baskets. Incorporate string lights, Moroccan lanterns, and global-inspired decor. The key is an unpretentious, comfortable, and well-traveled vibe that invites lounging and creative expression. 8. Vertical Patio Garden Extravaganza. Maximize space, especially in smaller patios, by going vertical. Install wall-mounted planters, trellises with climbing plants, or hanging garden systems. This allows you to grow a surprising number of plants in a compact footprint, creating a living wall that is both visually stunning and helps with temperature regulation. It's a modern and efficient way to introduce significant greenery. 9. Fireside Lounge Patio Garden. Center your patio design around a fire pit or outdoor fireplace, creating a warm and inviting gathering space. Arrange comfortable seating, such as deep-seated sofas or Adirondack chairs, around the fire feature. Use materials like natural stone or concrete for durability and a rustic feel. This design is perfect for evening entertaining and adds significant value to your outdoor living experience, particularly in cooler climates. 10. Water Feature Wonderland Patio Garden. Integrate a significant water feature as the centerpiece of your patio. This could be a multi-tiered fountain, a reflective pond, or a custom-built waterfall. The sound of flowing water is incredibly soothing and creates a serene ambiance. Surround the water feature with lush, water-loving plants and comfortable seating to enjoy the tranquil sounds and sights. Lighting can be strategically placed to highlight the water at night. Designing a beautiful patio garden is an exciting endeavor that combines creativity with practicality. By carefully considering your space, needs, and aesthetic preferences, you can transform an ordinary outdoor area into an extraordinary extension of your home. Remember, the goal is to create a space that you love, a place where you can relax, entertain, and connect with the natural world around you. We hope this comprehensive guide has provided you with the inspiration and knowledge to embark on your own patio garden transformation. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more expert tips and design inspiration for your outdoor spaces. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming videos. What's your favorite patio garden design idea? Let us know in the comments below.